Today I'm going to be trying a Pinterest makeup look by spaghetti4000. Okay, so this look has like bleach brows and smoky eye. I actually wanted to do this for a while, but I thought me with like waiting till I was blonde again would make it more accurate. First thing I'm going to use is this Westmore Beauty foundation. Oh, okay, that's too much. Next thing I'm using is this Conceal and Hydrate. Also use this pot concealer just because I really like the brightness it gives you under your eye. It's like very thick. It's really gonna have a lot of coverage. I only use the tiniest bit just because like it's just so thick and potent. Honestly, I low-key use too much, but that's okay. But like, look how much brighter that is. It looks just so good. This is the Black Radiance contour stick, and I want to say mahogany. That might be wrong though, but so I go up like here and up this way. I'm gonna nose contour. I'm actually gonna try to make this look good because sometimes I feel like I really rush it. This looks literally insane. Then I go back into this concealer, just do this. Honestly, don't even want to tell you to trust the process because I'm not even trusting it, but let's see. And I'm gonna take this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and just go over it. Yeah, that looks okay. I'm gonna take this white concealer and go over my brows. I try to not be too messy with it, but I also don't really care. I'm gonna be using this shade, yeah, and probably this shade to set it. I'm gonna conceal with this. It's a little bit closer to my skin tone. And I'm gonna also just mix that with my foundation. And I would say like if any sections look like you can still see some black hairs peeking through, I would just go over them with the concealer. Next, I'm gonna work on the eyes. It just looks like a simple smoky eye. I'm gonna go in with this Rebel color on the outsides. I'm gonna try to do this leader color, this kind of almost off black color, and then this black color, and just try to make it darker as it goes in. Next, I'm gonna do eyeliner. I'm just gonna do a wing with like some inner corner. I'm using this shade in my Fine Feathered palette for blush, like this. I'm gonna put my bobby pin in this shade, Activist. So I kind of diffuse that out with a brush that has some skin color powder on it. And then also my finger, because it looks a bit like intense and fake right now. They're a lot more natural than before. So for lips, I'm going to line them in this shade Leader. And then I'm gonna use this NYX Butter Gloss in Bit of Honey. Ooh. Oh, this eats. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so let me know what you think. I feel like this looks good. I feel like it really does, and I feel like I did a good job. But yeah, let me know what you think.